that only plans for non-obstacles is optimistic. A drone that plans for risk is serious. Hi, I'm Dr. Kamrul Islam. One important UAV topic is risk-aware path planning in unknown environments. A 2025 or 2026 open access papers in Journal of Intelligent Robotics Systems explicitly address risk-aware path planning for drones in unknown environments, including sudden moving obstacles and even malicious blockade scenarios. That is important because real missions are messy and unexpectedly we route get blocked, a safer corridor becomes unsafe, the environment becomes worse than the map predicted. So the next planning question is not just what is the shortest safe path. It becomes what is at least risky path under uncertainty, right? My 2026 view, serious UAV autonomy will move from path planning to risk budgeting.
Takeoff looks good, heading down the main path. Forklift crossing, slowing. Let's take the side lot instead. Narrow gap ahead, too tight. We'll stay on the open route.